Hi guys, so let me just briefly explain as I run through VS Code with you. So initially all of these are false. They're set to false, false, true, true respectively. So if I run the code right now, okay, first prompts player 1 to choose a color, be it green or red. So let's just say he chooses red, okay? Yeah. So it asks the player which card he or she would like to flip. And if let's just say he flips an invalid card, because in this example there are only 4 cards, right? But if he enters 5, right, it it prompts the user again because the input is invalid. Or if let's just say it is a negative input, it also prompts the user again. So even if it's 0, it prompts the user one more time because all of these are invalid inputs. The only valid inputs are 1, 2, 3, or 4 because the length of the array is right here is 4. Okay, so let's just say he wants to flip, player 1 wants to flip the third card, right? So after he flips the third card, the cards will be in this order. So the first one still remains as false. The one adjacent to the third card, which is the second card, becomes true now. And the third card itself becomes false. And the last and final card is false. Okay. So yeah, so this is the new array. And as of now, it is player 2's turn. Okay, so player 2, let's just say he enters 4. He wants to flip the last card. So what happens is, do you know why player 2 wins? So he flipped the last card, right? So because this is the last card, so now false becomes true. Okay, sorry, let me just explain. Because he flips the last card, which is a false, so the one adjacent to it, which is also false, becomes true. But because there's no other card to the right side, so what gets flipped instead is the card on the extreme left. So false now becomes true. So false now becomes true, right? The first card now becomes true. The second card has no changes, so it still remains as true. The third card, because he flipped the last card, so the third card also gets affected. It becomes true. And the card which he flipped is true. So because of this orientation, all of the cards are now flipped to green, which is player 2's color, and so he wins. Yeah, and player 2 is green because player 1 chose red as his color. Let me just show you right here. See, you can see player 1 chose red. So player 1 chose red and player 2 chooses green. So player 2 wins the game. Yeah, so this is a simple VS Code demonstration and I hope you all enjoy it. Bye!